This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 23 of Building Robocop. In this issue we're continuing with the leg that we've been working on, and I think we're going to be doing that for the entire delivery. So there we go. Looking at this, we've got Delta City. Oh, that was the one that was going to be built. I'm going to say it's Detroit. That was the where it was set. But if you want to read all about Delta City, then feel free to do so. Yeah, half the magazine. Yes, the left thigh is what we're doing. The interior of the left leg. We're just attaching that piece there. Good stuff. Nice. And then we can look at work on another planet. It's going to be the Mars rover, no doubt, which I have built. Well, I built a model of anyway, but have a look in my electronics playlist if you like. If I remember, I'll put a link up there to the Mars rover, which is quite cool. Yeah, there we go. Looking at what we got there: training, trapping, carbon dioxide. Reflections are not my friends today. Can't read the words. So yeah, there we go. All about that. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get this leg assembled a little bit further. So today's parts, we've got another nice metal chunk of interior of the leg. We've got one little piece which just needs to be attached on there. We get it the right way up, that way up. That just goes onto these two holes there. Bracket that joins up that seam. Why not? There we go. We've got some screws, of which I will be using 4. Let's see if we can get 4 out. 2, 3. There we go. 4 of those. So put those aside for later. And we're going to be attaching it to the continuation of the leg. I have done some work on this in the background. This piece I managed to break off. It's not a great fixing point. I tried gluing it, it didn't work. I've actually had to drill it and put a little pin through to hold that in place. So that now works and is that little bit of articulation. That's the bit that's annoying. If it didn't have that little bit of articulation, you could do what you like with it. But because it needs that, I had to do something with it. So that is that, which did in fact involve getting all the leg apart again, which was a right pain, but necessary. So this is the leg piece, which is going to go on there like that. And it's going to look a bit like that. It's obviously going to have another piece to go in the middle to join that seam. And this is held in place with 4 screws through those 4 and those 4 there, like that. Let's see if we can get the 2 that are easily accessible in. Hopefully that will hold the rest of it together to get the other 2 in that are in deeper holes that are slightly more tricky to get to. But all in all, it's not too bad. Oh, that one. And this one, all the way through there. Do that. Again, this is another piece that you do need to make sure is nice and secure, because obviously we're going to be attaching to this for the top piece of the leg. I'm being careful not to put any pressure on that bit while I'm doing this, because that's where my problem was before. So there we go. Let's just get these all tightened up so I don't have to worry about that. Get them all in first before you tighten them up, just to make sure everything lines up properly. There we go. And that is just about that. One more to go. See that one? Right in that corner. Go. And that is that. That's another issue done. Another part of the leg built up. So Yeah, he's looking quite good now, and that will obviously give us a little bit more leverage on that knee joint. Do want to pose him. I don't know that it'll go down to a knee, but you'll certainly be able to stand up in a couple of different positions if you want that leg further forward. And you can do that. So there we have it. That was issue 23. Thank you very much for watching. Join me soon for the next one. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.